lovelies, today I'm going to show you beautiful and easy hairstyles for school, college, party and so on. And these are very simple and super cute hairstyles for summer. And these are perfect tumbler hairstyles. I love these hairstyles so much. So yeah, let's get started with the video. So first hairstyle we're gonna do is make a parting from top of your head and back of your head like so. And then twist your hair a little bit and then tie it with hair tie like so. Now we have to do the same thing on the other side. Just twist your hair a little bit and then tie it with hair tie. Now take out some strands, very small strands from top of your head, and you know that your face will look very beautiful from front. And now we're gonna do a regular braid on both the sides. We have to do regular braid all the way down, and now I am pulling my hair a little bit like so that my braid will look bigger and messier and volumized. Now we have to braid it till the end and then tie your braid. Now pull your braid again so that it will look very fuller. Now we have to do the same thing on the other side. We're gonna do is just do regular braid all the way down. I'm braiding and at the same time I'm pulling my braid so that it will look very cool from front. Pull as much as you can because it really looks very cool. And yeah, this is very simple hairstyles and perfect for summers, and I love these hairstyles. You can use accessories like hat so that it will look really cool and tumbler. Now second hairstyle we're gonna do is transforming the previous hairstyle into new one. So I'm going to take my braid and twisting my braid and make a bun shape, and then I'm using bobby pins as much as I want so that my bun will not lose later. Now again I'm doing the same steps like so on the other side. First I'm taking braid and manipulate my braid and make a bun shape like so. You have to make a low bun and then use bobby pins as much as you want. And yeah, this is very super cute hairstyles and I love this hairstyle so much. I hope you also love these hairstyles. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.